Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to disable any auto download files in RCS chat in Google Message app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Message app and go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on Messages Settings. Go ahead and click on General. Go ahead and click on RCS Charts. Let's take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to auto download files you receive over mobile data. Click on here, and this is going to pop up. Go ahead and choose disable. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.